Women is that they can be anything they want to be, and they should not allow anybody to hold them back or bring them back. This is my mom. This is my mom, and she's encouraged me on the journey so far. That's my sister, and that's our whole family. Every day when I arrive where I'm going to, I tell them this. Once you have the faith, there's a strong faith. They know that I'm not going to drive rough. They know I'm not going to. I love myself. Nobody loves me more than I love myself. So they know I'm not going to put myself in trouble. All they need to do is to follow me with their prayers and their words of encouragement and positivity. It's very important. When you are doing things and there are positive people with you, then you move all the way. My controller here was always with me all through the journey. He was always talking to me, even the CG. Everybody was always making sure I was okay. And that positivity alone made me pull through. But you know, if somebody was saying, hey, be careful, oh. If you just pass that place like this now, they will just cut your hand. You know, when that fear comes in, you'll be afraid and you will not be able to do what you want to do. But when you have positivity all around you, you move and you can move very far. The worst experiences were at the borders. It's been a crazy experience. I don't understand why I will stamp my passport and then you will ask me to pay money. If I want to travel without a passport, then I will know that I'm traveling without a passport. But I have my documents. Why will I stamp it and then you will tell me that I have to pay? And then that delays it. They hold your passport. And you know, without that, you cannot move. It's crazy. It's stressful. I don't know. They will say it's for the stamp or they'll say this is your first time here. You're supposed to be happy that I'm visiting your country. I'm coming to spend money. I'm going to pay for hotel. I'm going to buy fuel. I'm going to pay for food. So why do you have to stress me? All through, down, all the way. And I think that the economic community of West African State, the body, they really, really need to do something about it, because it's not just helping, not just for bikers, everybody. It's frustrating. It's very, very frustrating.
It's a message. Her story is an inspiration to all individuals, but women in particular, because of the many limitations that society often would impose on them. If you have anything that you are passionate about, be courageous, be bold, go ahead and pursue your dream. She's a customs officer, she's a superintendent in the Nigerian Customs Service, but because she's passionate about this activity of traveling, using her bike, she made out the time, she made out, the effort, the practice, she did all the necessary study that was needed, and then she had embarked on this journey, 12 different African countries, over about 21, 22 days. That is huge, solo. She went alone. She didn't go accompanied. She didn't need somebody to say, come, we'll assist you, we'll guide you. And it is a huge thing. It is a huge thing. Over 8,000 kilometers on your own. It's huge. So we want to tell people, that is in the Nigerian Customs Service, this is what we try to emphasize. The current management led by the Controller General, Bashir Adewale Adeni, MFR, encourages a work-life balance. In other words, you work, but also balance it with some kind of activity that adds value to your life. For her, this is what she's chosen. For others, it may be the love of music. It could be just writing. It could be art. It could be anything. Pursue your passion. That is the only way you can have a balanced and fulfilled life.